All right, we're here with Steve from Porkchop Customs. Interesting.
How are you?
Oh, I'm at a car show. This is fantastic. And there's actually cars here I can afford, which is really amazing. I love
it always
that.
helps when you can afford the car.
Oh, that's
Speed is equal to cubic dollars, and so are slot cars.
Yeah. yeah. Now, you got a unique stand here, and you're doing unique stuff. Show me what you got.
Well, I am Steve Newtonmaker. I'm from Lancaster, PA, and I have started 3D printing slot car parts. One of the small niches that people have had a hole in for years for slot car parts is finding bumpers and finding exhaust pipes and things like that, that they're able to repair the parts repair the cars that they raced in their childhood.
Right.
So if you want to pan down to where I have my show pieces here, all of these pieces I reverse engineer from original parts.
Oh, the dune buggy parts, yes.
Some of the parts are brand new parts that came out of Porkchop Customs' mind. And I make interiors for sedans, I make tops for dune buggies and things like that. They're just parts that were never produced by Aurora. There's many pieces of
oh, I love this. Now, the one thing,
and Tyco.
I got one thing, quick question, Steve. How do you chrome these?
You can chrome them in a number of ways. I don't chrome them to offer them for sale. That's up to the customer to chrome them if they want.
Right.
But they are in chromable condition now because I have switched over to resin 3D printing. So originally I was printing everything with an FDM printer, and if you look real close you can see the little layer lines in it.
Yes, okay.
But if you look now, the parts that I make, they don't have the layer lines in them because they're printed in resin. So they're light exposed resin, and they still have layer lines, but you aren't able to see them very easy with the naked eye.
Right, it blends.
It blends in.
Yeah,
so
because it actually melts down.
No real work to it so that you can chrome it. Sometimes guys will use these chroming pens. They're like a real popular item that people will buy. It's a cheap way of doing it. There is paint systems out there that you could buy at your local hobby shop. That you can do a 3-step process where you paint the part black, then you paint the part with a chrome, then you paint the part with a clear coat. And it's just like a triple show chrome. Other than that, I also sell piece parts that were never thought of. Stuff to do repairs. People always have a problem with posts breaking out of their old cars. Well, this is a way to be able to glue posts back in.
Oh my gosh, that's wonderful.
I have a lot of customizers come to see me because they don't want to tear up Hot Wheels cars or something like that in order to be able to buy the parts that they need. So I have filled a hole in that market where I actually made the small blowers and hood scoops, drivers, surfboards, any small niche item that you could come up with, and they're inexpensive.
That is amazing.
The majority of my parts are $5 for a set.
Jeez.
Unless otherwise noted. So I try to keep everything as affordable as possible. Any hobby is a luxury for us.
Right.
And for me to be able to share that luxury with somebody, to come up with something that's unique, I like to do that.
I see that with your buildings over here.
Yeah. So there isn't very many people that are able to find actual plastic buildings. These are plastic bleachers that are designed by Porkchops Customs. All of my parts will interlock together. You can best see that with these garages.
Oh, that's
So the
great.
garages will actually interlock together so that you can put them all in a row. And you can also interlock the grandstands with them and the buildings, so everything can be in a giant drag strip or a bull ring.
That is great. Oh my gosh. I love it. That's all HO.
All HO. I will do parts for larger scales if needed.
Right.
Literally just had a customer here a couple of minutes ago who handed me a part that he had talked to me about that he needed, that is something that the hobby needs. It's a tanker for a US 1 truck. And there's some parts that are broken on it, and he's unable to find replacements. So he asked me if I would be able to do that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reverse engineer the tanker that he left with me, and I will give it back to him. And he actually said, if you're going to do the whole tanker, I'll buy 4 of them. So it leads into sales that way.
Yes.
But I'll do any kind of engineering that's needed to be done. I make actual real car parts. I make motorcycle parts. If you need it, I can design it. I can 3D print it. I was a machinist by trade, so I could actually have it machined or machine it myself. I'm pretty versatile.
Okay, folks, so all of you restoring your unusual vehicles and you're looking for those small parts,
you need one of these stickers on your car.
No, you don't put that on your car. You call Steve at Porkchops Custom. That's the kicker.
Steve Noonermaker. You can find me on Facebook.
There you go. Don't look for a website. Give a call. I'll put down the information on the video so this way you guys know. You know, so many times you come across the small dash plastics and stuff, and you're always looking for people who actually do this stuff. Steve is the guy to do it. He's got a great background, as he says, with engineering and such, so it's really pretty cool. And here he is, and he's local, folks. You're talking about Lancaster. Come on.
Lancaster, PA.
That's it. Just a hop, skip, and jump from Carlisle and Hershey.
Yep, I'm actually on the way there from here.
Can't get any better. So always good. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 Lehigh Valley Slotcar and Diecast show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, local car show calendars, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. And while you're there, remember, post and promote your events. I'll see you at the shows.